Hello my friends, today I am going to read an article, The Book in 3 Sentences, written by James Clear on jamesclear.com. The article is about the book Free Will by Sam Harris. We do not have the freedom and free will that we think we do. Yes, you can make conscious choices, but everything that makes up those conscious choices, your thoughts, your wants, your desire, is determined by prior causes outside your control. Just because you can do what you want does not mean you have free will, because you are not choosing what you want in the first place. If you want to visit the website, I have put the link below. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.